Explore the World is an event that we created for our Master of Science students to allow them to get to know other students in the cohort. We have 15 programmes and the idea was to mix them, different nationalities together, and to understand what it means to work in a cross-cultural business context.
And the idea with this event was to, break the ice so that every nationality speak together and they feel welcome here in Rennes School of Business. And they also learn some soft skills regarding empathy, regarding intercultural intelligence, and that's so important for our world to develop empathy and communication.
I know very well how it can be very challenging for a student from another country to come into a country that they don't know, where they don't know anyone. And so I've lived this experience, and so it was a real joy for us to co-create this whole experience, to make sure that they were integrated, had fun, connected French and foreign students amongst themselves, and learned some information as well about communicating with other cultures.
Basically, some of them are alone in this new city. They don't speak the language, so they can be a bit lost. We hope with this workshop, they can connect to each other. They can be more comfortable with the culture, with the French culture. At the end, we help them doing a French survival kit. So it's supposed to give them some advice to survive in this French culture. So yeah, I think at the end of the day they were all connected. They had some new friends, and that's the most important, I think.
Explore the World would be an opportunity for new students to actually get to meet and learn from a lot of other students from a large variety of cultures. It's just like exploring the world through the people you will actually come to meet and know, and maybe befriend within the school.
I think it was a fun activity because well, in my experience, I'm not very extroverted. Like, I don't go up to people and talk to them. So I think this was a great experience for that, to get to know new people and also to understand more about their cultures too. So it was fun.
I think Explore the World was a great starting activity for newcomers to RSB, especially international students, because it allowed us and gave us the opportunity to integrate with people from other countries and get out of our comfort zones, which was great. The advantage is to start to make connections and start getting to know classmates and making new friends in this international experience.
We have our slogan, Unframed Thinking, which means that we need to think differently, think outside the box, take a step back and understand that our way of working is not the same as somebody else's. So we want to reinforce the fact that students should be agile in their learning process.
A huge amount of information in a very short amount of time, so we feel very happy about the experience the students lived, and I think what they said they gained from it after these 2.5 days.
I wish you a happy year with us, and of course, as you know my name now, what I do, please do not hesitate to come and see me.